September is a great month. It is the month when a great woman was born. A gift, a rare gift to us, a rare gift to the nation, a rare gift to the world. A month Ruth Emmanuel Makandiwa was born. Mama, you are a life coach, the greatest life coach, a coach of coaches, a teacher of teachers. She is an institute, a great one, a trainer of trainers. Your training to the coaches have changed the world because so many people, so many generations, so many families have benefited from your coaching. We are happy that we have you as a mother. I have you as a life coach. We have learned a lot of things. Generations to come will get and will benefit from you. Your wisdom is amazing. You are a woman of God, a woman of love, a woman of great care. If the world had many women like you, it was going to be a better place to be. I love you, Mama. Happy birthday, Mama Ruth Emmanuel Makandiwa. You have changed so many lives. You have impacted so many lives, so many people, so many generations to come.